Turkey Tato Bacon Ranch Casserole. This recipe is just way too good and simple not to share. First, you're going to take 1.5 pounds of ground turkey or beef, you decide for yourself, and brown it. Next, you're going to add in a bag of shredded potatoes. I use about 85% of the potatoes in this bag. After that, add your seasonings in. I use garlic salt with parsley and ground black pepper to season mine. Once you're done adding in your seasonings, you're going to add in a can or cream of mushroom soup. Next, you'll add in a cup of ranch dressing, 8 ounces of sour cream, and then mix that together really well. Once that's done, grab your olive oil spray and spray that bacon pan really good. Add your food mixture into the pan and spread it evenly across the baking dish. Now it's time to bake. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes. In the meantime, while that's doing its thing, make the bacon and afterwards cut it into pieces so that you can add it to the casserole once it's time. No need to make your pieces really small. We're not making bacon bits here. Once your timer goes off, remove the casserole from the oven and then begin preparing to add the cheese and bacon on top. For this recipe, I chose Colby Jack cheese to use. And you're going to take the cheese and spread it evenly across the top of the casserole. Now it's time to add the bacon. Just like you did with the cheese, you're going to spread the bacon evenly across the top of the casserole. Your placement doesn't have to be perfect, but the goal is to get a piece of bacon in each bite. After that, you're going to place your casserole back into the oven and bake for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And that's it, y'all. Look at how delicious that looks. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Recipe book coming soon, so be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you in the next video.